Guys, we're going to go over puzzle C. This has 6 sheep. So we're going to start by looking at the conditions. So first we have number 3 can only see 2 sheep. Number 1 and 5 can't see each other, but they can see exactly the same sheep. Number 2 can see an odd number of sheep. And number 4 and 2 can see each other. So some things to note. So each sheep can all do a full 360. They can look at anything around them. They can take a full circle. So like this sheep I just pointed out right here, he can see this sheep, and that one. So that's just something to keep in mind. So let's start with something that we can do. We have to experiment a lot. So we're going to start from the very beginning. Number 3 can only see 2 sheep. So what could those options be? So it could be this sheep, you can see this one and this one, right? This sheep can actually see 3, same with this one. But this sheep can only see this one and this one, same here. So 3 has many options. It can be a lot of different ones, which makes it a little bit confusing and means we're going to have to experiment with what's going to just deleted some of my sheep. Oh my gosh. All right, so we know we have a lot of options for 3. So let's go to a different one. Number 1 and 5 can't see each other, but they can see exactly the same sheep. So where is a wall blocking, but they can see the same sheep? If we look right here and here, these sheep can't see each other, but they see the same 2 sheep, right? So that means one of these has to be 1 and the other has to be 5. So for now, we're going to call this one 1, this one 5. Next, we see number 2 can see an odd number of sheep. Odd numbers are 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. So it could be this sheep, right? He sees 1, 2, 3. It could be this sheep, 1, 2, 3. So we're going to have to wait on that. Then we see number 4 and 2 can see each other. Obviously, it can't be this because this sheep sees these two, right? So we're thinking it has to be this one or this one. It has to be one of those. So I'm thinking that we can do number 2 here and number 4 here for now. Now we're going to go back to the very beginning. Number 3 can only see 2 sheep. Out of this sheep and this sheep, which one sees 2? So you know this blue wall is blocking this sheep from seeing this one. So this sheep cannot see the sheep over here. So that means that number 3 has to be this sheep right here. And if we look, that makes this top sheep up here number 6. So to see if the conditions are all satisfied, number 3 sees 2 sheep. Number 1 and 5 can't see each other, but they do see number 4 and number 2. Same sheep. And then number 4 and 2, they can see each other. So this is going to be the configuration for pattern C.